Joshua, are you tired? Are you ready for bed?
No. No.
What? What? Are you tired, boy? Should we turn off the lights? Can you blow me a kiss? Well, that wasn't the most flattering kiss. Can you throw me a kiss? Mwah! That's a go. Mwah! What? You got your hand up there. You got to get rid of it. Quit eating the kisses.
No, you're not gonna stand up. You're not gonna stand up.
Yes, I am. I am out of here.
I can do whatever I want then.
Is that funny? Could you blow me a kiss? Mwah. You don't want to, huh? Can you wait? Can you wait? What's the matter?
It's not too bad, you guys. That's what's bad.
I am not tired. I'm ready to play. Is Tina dancing for you?
Is she silly? Is she silly? Is she silly? She's very silly, isn't she? Yeah. Yeah, she's silly. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, dancing?
Is it cute?
What's that?
Should I put him back on the SIMD?
Either way. I was trying to get Tina dancing, but she stopped.
Oh, goody.
She's dancing like one of those Charlie Brown fools.
Do 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 do.
Are you dancing? Oh, now he's gonna talk more that he has more air.
Oh, dance.
Dance. That's right. Dance, dance. We get to this bed thing.
You wanna go night-night? Night-night.
I'm gonna do what I did last night and make it take 2.5 hours.
Night-night.
2.5 hours?
No, I don't think tonight.
You think it's tired enough? Sweet. Sweet. Last night it took Mom and Dad and then Bruce. We each had our shot.